Hello everyone, and thank you for watching my 9th cooking video, or I hope you watch it. It is an aubergine, courgette and chickpea curry. So I'm just going to run through the basic raw ingredients: onions, garlic and ginger, peppers and lime, roughly cut courgettes, peeled and chopped aubergines, nice and rustic. So we have a hot pan as usual. Oil starting to smoke, so I'm going to put the first lot of ingredients straight in there. Couple of minutes to brown off. So just starting to brown off. I think I'm going to add some spices to it now to bring out the flavour. So some cumin going in, and a little dash of curry powder. Stir that in and brown that off. Another couple of minutes and we'll come back. So nicely browned off now, nice flavour going. So I'm just going to put a little seasoning. We'll need to adjust it later I suspect, we'll just see how we go. And I'll add the chopped tomatoes. Just going to fill the tin up, the tins and the tomatoes, and fill it up with water and add that to it. So in with the water. I'm going to bring that to the heat so it's simmering, and then we'll take it from there. Started to come to the boil. I'm going to add a further heaped teaspoon of curry powder. Of course you can adjust this to your taste. Just sprinkle that in. Also, cayenne if you like it spicy. Of course go easy with it. Too much of it will ruin the flavour, so a little bit of cayenne in. Stir it in. Another minute, and then we're going to add the bulk of it, which is the chickpeas, the courgettes, and the aubergines. So now in with the chickpeas. Aubergines. Surely we'll need to add some extra water at this point, which I shall do. So another tin's worth of water going in, just to cover it. Get it all pushed under. I think this is the biggest one pan dish I've done. As this cooks, the aubergines will shrink and it'll be nice and juicy. So last up for the bulk is the courgettes. You just want to put it so they're just under. Might look like it's not going to work, but it will. You need to leave that for a good 20 minutes and you'll see that the aubergines and the courgettes will start to shrink into it as the heat comes to a boil and then simmers down. Okay, so 20 minutes has passed, and it's looking really nice. So I've brought that down a little bit, and I'm going to leave that for about an hour. Then I think we're pretty much finished up. So now 1 hour has passed, and it tastes beautiful. I have added a little more seasoning and a little more curry powder. Now I'm just going to squeeze a bit of lime juice in there. Juice from half a lime. I think that should be enough. Don't want it too sharp. And then I'm actually going to serve it up. All good to go and ready to eat. And it looks lovely. And what's not to like about that? So if you would like this video, please hit the like button and put any comments you like in the bottom about any type of food dish you'd like me to create. And even better, subscribe to my channel. And thank you again, and see you soon.